Hello friends, this is Sunil from Ads Optimizer. Friends, in today's video, we are going to talk about Google Keyword Planner. Friends, as we heard about Google Keyword Planner, then we have started thinking that we are going to talk about how can you find out the right keywords or find out the relevant keywords for your business. But here my perspective is different. Suppose you are into the marketing or sales or into the CRM field and you have gone for a meeting, and after the meeting client asked to share the proposal. So how can we share the stats? How can you share the average CTR, average cost per lead, average cost per click? So how can we find out those things? So here we are going to talk about that sort of things. So without making any delay, let's get started. Friends, simply type ads.google.com and here click on sign in. And after that you have to select your ad account. So here I'm using the MCC account. Under the MCC account you may handle multiple accounts, so it will take 5 to 10 seconds to load the accounts. Here I'm going to select the right one account, and after that just click on tools and go to the planning column and just click on keyword planner. And here this is the second option that is showing get source volume and forecast. Just click on that and here just enter your keywords and click on get started. Here this dashboard is showing keywords, average monthly searches, competition, and what could be the bid for top of the page. So here this is the heads, that is forecast. Click on forecast and here your average CTR for this kind of keywords, that would be 10.9%, and average cost per click would be 11 rupees, and the average CPA would be 130. Friends, like this is the first one. See, that is showing 150 rupees average daily budget. But friends, you know already that if you are going to use 150 rupees, so nothing would be happened. So we are going to add at least 500 as a daily budget. And here as we have added the 500, so the average CTR would be 13.4%, average cost per click would be 20 rupees, and average CPA would be 230 rupees. Friends, just go through the below one. Here the average CPC that is showing blah blah blah. So here there is no any customization in terms of average every like average CPC. So Google will auto calculate the average CPC. Just we have to add only what, only average daily budget. So the Google will show you what could be the average CTR, average cost per click. If you have the average cost per click and average CTR, so definitely you may calculate the entire calculation. Friends, I have a sheet, I have a Excel sheet. Under that, we have created the entire formulas. So on that sheet, if you are going to add the every CPC and CTR, so that will calculate all the entire things. Or if you are into the a longer into the digital marketing industry, so definitely like the rest formulas. So definitely you may calculate though other things. So friends, that's all for today. And I want to add one thing here. Maximum time in the meeting, client is asking, just told me like what could be the average cost per click. So here that is 230 rupees. So before going to the meeting, you may start R&D here. So definitely you would have a better idea about that kind of client, what could be the right keywords, average cost per acquisition, CTR and average CPC. Friends, so definitely this will help you to get that client, and you may onboard that client. So friend, that's all. And here I want to share one thing. I have created a dedicated video like how can you audit a Google ad account. So I'll that video link to the I button. So definitely you may uh, audit your ad account, that is everything is all set or not. So just please watch that video. And that's all for today. If you have any questions, so then please comment below. And friends, please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye. Take care.